his hand.
I can't do
Let
it.
Tony do it.
Tony, you made this seem too real.
Put the gun down!
This target is too funny.
Aim for the face. Don't hit the pedestrian. She was just walking in Walmart trying to get some diapers for her kids, and she's getting held hostage. Don't kill her.
She's trying to cash her check.
Picking up her WIC formula.
Stop.
I can't do this. Stop.
Sir, this is your last chance.
Stop.
This is your last chance,
I cannot
sir.
do this.
A-team, you're clear for shot. Fire on ready.
This is far away though, isn't it?
Go on.
You shot him in the nose!
Go, Melissa!
Man down! Man down!
Man down. She's getting her wit.
It's okay, man. It's okay. Shot right in the face. Right in the face.